which is a USA-based tutoring platform, you can earn in 3 ways. First one is capsule module, second one is upload and earn, and third one is direct assignment. Hi everyone! One of my subscribers asked me to make a video on TransTutor. So I have done a lot of research and here I am with a video on TransTutor. Who can apply, how you can apply, and how much you can earn here. But before that, I need to say something to all of you. Almost every tutoring website has negative and positive reviews by tutors and students. TransTutor too has some negative and positive reviews. I can give you details, I can give you information. Now it is up to you whether you want to apply here or not. Personally, I do not listen to others. I do what I feel like. So let's begin. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English, personality development, work from home ideas, parenting tips and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Before I start, I need to share something important with all of you. Unacademy is offering very reasonable study package for 9th and 10th Maharashtra board students in just rupees 2,500 for all 6 subjects per month. You can get additional 10% discount if you use my code. You get live lectures here in Hindi, English and Marathi language. There are daily test series, one-to-one doubt clearing sessions. You can get access to past year papers also. So if you calculate, you pay just rupees 375 per month per subject, which is quite reasonable. You can take 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months subscription. The more the number of months, lesser you have to pay. So go and grab this opportunity. Now coming back to what you all are waiting for. On TransTutor, which is a USA-based tutoring platform, you can earn in 3 ways. First one is capsule module, second one is upload and earn, and third one is direct assignment. Initially, when you start working on it, you will be working on capsule module. So you will get questions based on your subject expertise. Now you have to reach certain milestones and you will be rewarded for that. Once you choose questions in capsule module, those questions, and once you click on the commit, those questions would be logged for you. So it won't be available for other tutors and you will have to solve those questions within the given time slot. You can choose maximum 3 questions at one time. So this was about capsule module. Now the second way of earning here is upload and earn. Here you can upload your own content. It can be any exam paper, any quiz or any question and answer. So if any student purchases your content, you get 80% of the amount and 20% is kept by TransTutor. Also, till the time you are tutoring there for that content, you get lifetime royalty. Third way of earning here is direct assignment, for which you are eligible only once you solve minimum 30 questions. Now, how much you can earn here? You can earn from 50 rupees to 300 rupees per question. Their billing cycle starts from 1st to 31st, but you get your payment between 20th to 25th of every month. So suppose you have solved 10 questions in December, you will get the payment for those questions on 20th January or between 20th January to 25th January. Now who can apply? Graduates and undergraduates both can apply. Talking about application form, so it's a 5-step process which doesn't take much time. First, you have to fill your personal detail. Second, your professional detail. Third, you will be choosing subject, and fourth, based on that subject, you will have to give a small test which has only 10 questions and it wasn't very difficult. And last, you will be asked to upload your bank details. So before you apply here, you will have to keep your PAN card ready, then your mark sheet or whatever certificate you have, and a cancelled check. If you do not have checkbook, that's fine. You can take pic of first page of your passbook and that you can upload. So let me walk you through the process, as I have also tried to sign up, so I can show you the process. So first you go to Google and type TransTutor. You will see transtutor.com. Click there. and you will see page something like this. Now here, as you can see, for tutors, so you have to click here for tutors, and you can click here become an expert now. Now I have already signed up, so I'm going to sign up. Okay, login, and then my password. So these are the 5 steps that you need to do, you need to complete. First, you will be filling your personal details. In the second step, in professional details, you will have to write around 300 words paragraph, not paragraphs, few lines about your professional details. So just write it before, so you can copy paste here, so you can write somewhere else. Okay, it should be 300 words, not less than that. Then you can choose subjects, and then you will be taking your test based on your subject, and then you will be uploading your bank details, which I haven't done, so I'll show you. Here is how it looks: bank name, account holder, account name, bank address, type of bank account, PAN, and then upload PAN card, upload cancel check. As I told you, you don't have to worry about it. If you do not have cancel check, you can always take a pic of your first page of your passbook, and then you can upload it. So these are the things that you will need here, and you can click on submit. So that's it. You can fill the application form and do apply here. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and also let me know in the comment box how do you find this video.